Go!
Playoff match 2 here in Belton. We have movement on both sides. Human player scoring so far looks like GORT is the first to score on the Blue Alliance side. And Full Metal Jackets aims at the Red Alliance hub and they fill it up. Followed by Purple Haze on the Blue Alliance. 3 seconds remaining on Autonomous. It's advantage Blue Alliance heading into teleoperated mode. Purple Haze wastes no time trying to claim as much of the fuel in the neutral zone for themselves as possible. Full Metal Jackets pulls back the hammer and they fire. They're right on target. PastaBots is up next as GORT tries to interfere with Full Metal Jackets, but their turret can't be swayed. PastaBots aims, but they're a little bit high. Purple Haze trying to fire into the Blue Alliance hub. Revelation helping them out. Full Metal Jackets shoving their way through GORTs to get back to the neutral zone to reload. Looks like Rebellion might be stuck under the Red Alliance trench. Hopefully their alliance partners can help break them free. Full Metal Jackets lined up with the Red Alliance hub once again, doing their part to keep the score climbing. PastaBots lining up to spread a little grated Parmesan on the Red Alliance hub as well. GORT's reloading the blue side of the field as we switch over to the Blue Alliance shift. Revelation up to the Blue Alliance hub. Purple Haze trying to get reloaded. GORT's firing and making some shots into the Blue Alliance hub as well. Purple Haze still trying to get in position. They head back to the neutral zone. Full Metal Jackets trying to reload their robot in preparation for the end game as PastaBots helps them keep fed by firing fuel over to the Red Alliance side of the field. Both hubs active now as we head into the end game. Full Metal Jackets emptying their robot and going up for more. PastaBots trying to help them keep fed. Purple Haze lining up on the tower. Looks like they're going to go for an L1 traversal. 5 seconds remaining. Are they going to make it? And they just slip off. $160 to $123. Red Alliance wins this match and they move on in the upper bracket to round 2 in match 7.